and all you're gonna left is a life of a mediocre. And if you're happy being a mediocre, then I believe that this video is not for you. You can enjoy playing video game altogether, but that will not help you. That can only give you a pleasure for a small amount of time, but for the entire life, there's only one thing that I'm repeating again and again, and that is regret and nothing else. To get something you never had, you need to do something that you never did in your life. You need to decide right here, right now, that what you want to be, how you want to be. And when you're gonna ask all these questions to yourself, somewhere down the line, your mind is gonna react. It's gonna react towards all the questions that is hurling inside you. And with time, believe me, you're gonna get all these answers. Because the universe will gonna present to you with the circumstances, with the situations, with the scenario, and with the right people in your life that will help you out to push you towards success, towards prosperity, towards the goal that you really want to achieve in your life. But you know why all these things are not happening? Because of one thing, and that is you lack focus. You lack focus in your life. There is no tunnel vision. Do you understand even the word tunnel vision? It's like you know what is going on in your life. You can see your goals. You can see the vision towards the future and not getting distracted from the negative energies and the negative scenarios which is surrounding your life. See, the problem is when we're gonna focus on others, we're gonna forget ourselves. What about us? What about you? If you're not able to focus on yourself, who's gonna help you out in bringing out the best in you? Nobody, right? Nobody's gonna push you towards the limit, towards the prosperity, towards the success that you truly deserve. Only a right focus towards your life will help you out to push all the boundaries and can make you a successful person in your life. What happened when you forget yourself? The ideas that you never acted upon, the talent that you wasted, and your life will be nothing. You never seize the opportunity to become a better person in your life. You never seize the opportunity that could bring out the full potential in yourself. And the simple answer to all these questions and queries is because you lack one thing, and that is you lack focus in your life. Period. The main problem with today's generation is that they are focusing towards a celebrity, towards an influencer, because they see their life as much exciting. And that life is something that they can never achieve. This is a sort of mentality which is preoccupied their mind. But you got to understand one thing. If you're going to focus on a celebrity, then when you're going to focus on yourself, you are wasting your entire time, your entire life in focusing on somebody else's life. But what about yours? You have a goal, right? You have a dream, right? You want to become something, isn't it? Then who's going to do it? Nobody's going to push you. Your well-wishers might be able to guide you, but this battle called life, it's only your job to take one step further towards success so that you can achieve something great in your life. The simple reason of lacking focus is because you lack passion. You need to understand one thing, that time will always run. It's not going to stop for anybody. And when you don't have focus in your life, you're only going to left with remorse, regret, disappointment, that will push you towards negativity and nothing else. Because you're gonna feel that now it's getting too late. My life is skipping away from me and time is slipping away. But I'm here to tell you that you can still achieve your goals. You can still achieve your dreams. You can still achieve greatness in your life. And we all can do all these things just by doing one thing, and that is have a prime focus. You still can conquer all your goals which feel like a mountain. By taking one step at a time with a firm focus, you're gonna reach that peak. And believe me, the vision will be amazing. And we can do it together. There is a ladder. There's a ladder of success which is waiting for you. Just take one step at a time with a prime focus towards your life. It might feel hard, but if you have a firm focus in your life towards your goal, as you are seeing the tunnel vision of success, believe me, you can do it. Just take one step at a time, one ladder of success, and it can change your life completely. So stop focusing on all the negative things which is happening in your life. Stop using all the social media bullshit because it will not help you. as time is limited and there are a lot of things that you need to achieve in your life. So by wasting your time all over the social media is gonna kill your success-driven goals. Believe me. But if you have a prime focus in your life, you can achieve anything. See, the problem with us is that we are waking up feeling distracted altogether. What generally happens is when you wake up in the morning, you feel like you have no clue what you want to achieve in that day. And with this kind of mentality, this kind of thought process is going to only lead you towards all the distractions. That you're going to wake up in the morning and you have no clue what you want to do. And what generally happens is you start watching random prank videos or you start playing video game. And at the end of the day, there's only one thing left, and that is regret. You don't have a firm vision towards the day. Like I've said before, you only need to push one step at a time. And every day is a new chapter in your life that can actually transform your life. But you don't have a vision. You don't have a passion. And what happens is, you're left with remorse, with regret. That's the important thing that you need to understand. It's like before starting the day, you actually need to know what you really want from that day. You need to know what's the main purpose in your life. Because without the main purpose, I can assure you, you cannot reach the level of success that you really want from inside. And all you're gonna left is a life of a mediocre. And if you're happy being a mediocre, then I believe that this video is not for you. You can enjoy playing video game altogether, but that will not help you. That can only give you a pleasure for a small amount of time, but for the entire life, there's only one thing that I'm repeating again and again, and that is regret and nothing else. So it's your job to decide what you want to be. Do you want to live a passionate life or do you want to live your life with regret? It's your decision. It's your life. You need to understand one thing that you need to know, that how you can actually tame your day. Don't let the day run you. Let you run the day. You should be knowing what you want from that day. Have focus on yourself because you're the only person that know what you really want in this life. Nobody else. Your mother and father can only guide you. Your friends can only tell you what you can do. But the passion can only come from inside. And you're the only person that know what you really want in that life. So know your worth and act accordingly. There are 5 core essential things that you need to understand if you're lacking focus. I'm going to tell you right now. Number 1, have a firm goal. 99% of the population actually even don't know what they want from their life. So of course you will feel clueless. Have one vision, one firm goal towards your life, that this is something that I really want in my life and I'm going to achieve it no matter what. So have a firm goal. Number 2, be a little selfish. You need to be selfish because if you have a vision in your life, you want to achieve something great, then you need to have a me time. Like these are the things that I need to do in this day. Like these are the chores that I need to complete so that I can be a better version of myself. So that's why it is very important to have a me time. And for that you need to be a little selfish. There's no harm in it. B. Number 3, discipline. Every day you need to fight. You need to fight the demons which are called negativity. Because every day you need to build the confidence inside you that yes, I can achieve all the things that I really want from this life. And I'm going to do it no matter what. And that's going to happen with a firm focus and a discipline that you need to do on a daily basis. So have discipline in your life. Number 4, be positive. Having a positive mindset can actually change your life completely. Because this world is surrounded by the negativity. But if you have a firm goal, if you have focus towards your life, then all you can see is the vision, a vision of success. And with this kind of positive attributes and with this kind of positive mindset, you can achieve anything. So always have a positive mindset in your life that will help you out towards bringing out the best in yourself. So do it. And last but not the least, the 5th point is, don't say yes to everything. Because if you know what you want to achieve in your life, you're going to say no to many things. Your friends is asking for you to go for a coffee. You say no because you have something important that you need to achieve in this day. Your colleague is telling to do something for him, a sort of favor. But if you have something important in your life that you need to do, no matter what, because you want to achieve that day, you want to achieve that goal in your life, then you don't have to be yes man all the time. Say no to their face. I don't want to go to that party because I have something important in my life. have this kind of mindset, a bulletproof mindset that will help you out in becoming the best version of yourself. Understand? The way to improve your life is very simple, and that is you have to improve yourself regularly. Every day you need to ask questions that how should I improve from yesterday? That yesterday I did all these things. Now what's today? How can I push myself to a next level so that I can be close to my goals? Right? Every day is a new day to change yourself, to be a game changer. And we can do it no matter what. Before ending this video, I just want to tell you here one important thing, and that is dream without a goal is just a dream, and that goal you can never achieve if you don't have a firm goal and a focus in your life. So I hope you understand this topic of today, and I hope you're gonna implement all these things in your life so that you can become a better version of yourself. So do share it with your family and friends. If you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam, and I will see you soon. Take care, cheers, bye bye.